Hello everyone, welcome back to the Apple Connect, and in this video I would like to talk about how to turn off, power off or shut down your iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max. So we have three methods. First one is all about, we have to go over here at the top. As you can see, there is a power icon at the top. So just press and hold this particular power icon. Now you'll be getting this option where you can slide to power off your iPhone. So this is the first step you can try. So once the iPhone is, this is the first step. So let me turn on my iPhone once again. So after the first step, we have to move to the next step. That is all about, we have to tap over here in the settings. Now go here in the general, and from here you can scroll down and you can navigate to shutdown. Tap over here so you can slide to power off and you can turn off your iPhone as well. And also we have one more step. So that is all about, you have to give the commands for the Siri. You can ask the Siri to turn off. So let me do the same. All you have to do is just follow the instruction. So I'm going to give for the Siri, Hey Siri, please turn off my iPhone. Hey Siri, please power off my iPhone. Hey Siri, please shut down my iPhone. If you ask for the shutdown, they're going to recognize the voice and they're going to ask you the question. So there is an option called power off. Tap on this one so that your iPhone is power off. So you can try these steps for all the segments of newly launched 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro Max and even 16 Pro. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.